In OLT Web, navigate to the ONU page to access the ONU list. Choose the target ONU, and click Config to access the configuration page. Select IP host. Click plus to create a new IP host for configuring the TR069 channel. Typically, the IP host needs to be configured with VLAN. Choose DHCP for the mode. Next, select TR069 service. Click Concern. Click Confirm. Choose the IP host created earlier. Enable TR069. Enter the TR069 server address in ACS server. Use the username test and the corresponding password. Open Service Inform. Set the Service Inform interval to 60 seconds. Click Confirm. Pop-up notification in the upper right corner confirms the successful configuration. Return to IP host to verify the configuration's presence. You will see the TR069 has been successfully bound.